Okay, mate, so are you right there? Are we right? Cool.
Can't
So
wait.
let's do it.
We're going to do a series of three exercises today. So yeah, this is the first one. It's a good one, and I just wanted to say that. Let's go. Good. Try and keep the chest in full control. I love it.
Now, the idea of this particular workout is to actually correct
Transgender?
transgender.
No, we're not going to say
I nearly said
transgender.
that.
That's good, Dave. That's really good. No, keep that up. That's nice and strong.
Hey guys, we're up to workout 9 now
hang on,
in our
sorry.
functional fire.
I'm here, guys. Well, you don't start without me. We're a team.
All right, but don't hijack it, okay? Just
won't
let
say
it go.
anything.
Yeah, all right. Okay, take 2. All right.
All right.